Now, let's talk about something that is called a takt time. Takt time, and it's very important in order to achieve a steady flow in our processes. A key concept for pacing the flow is exactly takt time. Takt time is the frequency with which a service or product must be completed to meet the customer needs. It tells you how quickly you need to perform actions in your process to be able to meet the customer demand, considering, of course, the availability of your working hours.
Well, we say working hours, but actually we mean available time. That means you need to take out of the equation all breaks, lunches, technological stand-downs, etc. You only include true working time.
The basic formula here would be available working time divided by customer demand. For instance, if you have 6 hours of available work time and need to process 240 invoices, your takt time will be 1.5 minutes per invoice. Takt time helps you balance your workload, ensuring work is evenly and sequentially distributed throughout your organization.
You can use takt time for short-term everyday planning of your work that will help you streamline the processes and can be a part of establishing flow. You remember flow formed the first episode? It's the third lean principle. Takt time is also great as a key performance indicator where it should be measured at a frequency that allows improvements within the reporting cycle. Let us get back to our example. If we look at historic data and see that one invoice is processed not within 1.5 minutes but in, let's say, 2 minutes, then we know we need to start initiatives to improve cycle time. At the same time, it might happen that our invoice processing time is equal to 1 minute. That shows us that we can start looking for additional clients as we have spare process capabilities. I will tell you a story how I met John. His company made custom roof tents for cars. They were making them for small cars like Mini Cooper to big ones like Toyota Tundra or Tacoma and GP's Gladiators. Overlanding enthusiasts were their main line of customers. The company had a huge problem. Production was going way too slow. I know. What you will say, what do you mean as to slow? Well, let's just say that orders were delayed and more customers were frustrated, and who would have blamed them? You are planning a trip, maybe to a distant and remote location, with family, fiends. You want to be prepared, and here you are waiting for something so essential as shelter that you ordered months ago. We sat down with John, talked, went to the shop floor. This is actually called Jemba Walk, and we will cover it in one of the next videos. We looked at his process and counted the takt time. First, of course, we calculated the available working time. We removed all breaks and downtime, maintenance, waiting times, etc. We divided that time by the customer demand. We ended up with the number of 8 days. This was their goal. A new tent must be completed every 8 working days, and it actually was 15 days. For the next few days, we worked with the production team and focused on this rhythm. We mapped the process, identified inefficiencies, named them, and removed a lot of waste. The process was completely transformed. Tents flowed smoothly. Every 8 days, a new customer was happy. The backlog vanished within next 3 months. Customers received their tents on schedule as the scheduling was more precise, and John was able to exactly say when he and his team will be able to deliver the order. The business prospered. Takt time was the solution that made it possible to transform the whole workflow. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please check out the one about lean principles and waste. All 3 of those videos are a great introduction to lean. Let us know if you want us to dive into the world of Lean Six Sigma tools and methods. See you next time. Like, subscribe, and tell us what you think.